Hello, my name is Junaid Ahmed Fazli. I'm recording this video for demonstration of third exercise in my mobile application development lab using on Android. The experiment is about creating an employee management system using SQL database. So first of all, we have created an activity which is the main activity for the program, and this is the XML file for the activity. We have four edit text fields for ID, name, department, salary, and two buttons to add the employee to the database and list the employee. This is our main activity, and to work in the main activity we have to create another class. We have named it data handler. This class must extend SQLite open helper class, and if it is extending this class, first of all it has to override two methods of onCreate and onUpgrade. OnCreate method is used for creating the employee table, and onUpgrade method is used for changing this table that we already have. It will drop the table and create a new one. Also we have to create a parameterized constructor for this, which take four arguments: context, string name, cursor factory object, and the version of the database. So, and we have added two methods here. First, for adding a new employee, passing four arguments: ID, name, department, and salary, and another one for listing all the employees. It does not have any argument. First method, we have to create an object of the SQLite database, and we have to get the value as get writable database. Only then we will be able to write anything inside our database. So, and now to add any value in the database, we have to have an object of content values. Then using content values inside, using the object of content values and the method put as key value concept. This is how we put all the object that we get, all the data that we get from the edit text fields inside the key of content values, and this key actually represents the column name of our table. And using SQLite database object insert method, we insert all this detail inside our employee table, and then we close the connection. For listing, we have to do a separate thing. We create an object of our database as get readable database, because we just have to read it. We don't have to write anything inside this method. Then we have to create an object of cursor, and inside the cursor we have to retrieve the list of all the employees, the entire data of the table, using select star from employee using the method raw query. Then we are using a string buffer here. So when we are moving to next, inside the cursor we are creating a string of ID, and cursor object dot get string method. The values passed as argument inside the get string method defines the index of the column of our table. The 0th index is for ID, first index for name, second index for department, and third for salary. And then we append all this data inside our string buffer, and we return, we close the connection and we return the string buffer to our main activity. Now inside this main activity we have created an object of data handler class, passing the context, the name of our database, factory, and the version of database as arguments. Then on add button click, we are getting the values of all the edit text fields inside multiple string objects, and using the add emp method of data handler class we are passing all these entered data as arguments. For listing, we have created text view, and inside the text view whatever result that we are getting in return from the list emp method, we set the text of our text view to that list. And now I'll show you the demonstration of the application. Suppose we are entering an ID of 15, employee name XYZ, department will write networks, We'll give him salary of say 35,000. Now the employee is added, and here we are listing the employee. I've already created an employee before with ID 10, name ABC, department programming, and salary 50,000. So when I'm clicking on list employees, all the employees will be listed here. So this is how using an SQLite database, we are creating a database, maintaining it using a class which extends SQLite Open Helper, and using multiple edit text and buttons, we are making this application of employee management system work, and the output is received as we have expected. Thank you.